Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this new mascara from Revlon, and it's called Volumazing mascara, and that's how the packaging looks like. And the shade I got it in is blackest black, and you can see at the back there are directions and a few details about the product. At the back it says ultra creamy formula enriched with nourishing carnauba and olive waxes for amazing clump-free fanned out volume, and a dramatic volume with no smudge or flake for 24 hours. Those are a lot of claims there. And the brush strip or the wand is like this, and this reminds me of Better Than Sex mascara wand or Lash Paradise mascara wand, and I really love those mascaras. I have high hopes from this mascara. Price wise, this mascara is really affordable. I think I got it for $8 or $9 from Ulta, and you can see how they are showing the results. So I have really high hopes. Now I'll crack open the packaging, show you the up close view of the tube, and then I'll quickly show you how it applies. So guys, here is the up close view of the tube. It's a plastic tube with purple and lavender shades. So the shade name, the mascara name, Volumazing, Revlon, and at the bottom you can see the shade and everything. Now I'll just open the tube. Yes, and the wand reminds me a lot of like Better Than Sex mascara or the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. You can see how the bristles are. They are narrower in the middle and broader at the top and bottom, so it gives it hourglass kind of shape. The brush is not a rubber wand, it's like actual bristles. So guys, I'll start off by applying this mascara, and I haven't curled my lashes or anything. I just want to see how this mascara curls my lashes, and I don't have any eyeshadows or liner on because I want to see like full impact of this mascara. Guys, that's just one coat of this mascara, and you can see the huge difference. Like my lashes are really looking flared out. I'm not sure about the length and volume, but I'm really liking how they look. So without wasting much time, I'll move on to the second coat. So guys, that's how my eyes look like with like two coats of this mascara, and you can see the huge difference. So guys, I finished doing both my eyes with this mascara, and I have two coats on, and I must tell you, like, this mascara is looking really natural on my lashes. It's giving me a lot of volume, but it's not like too much volume, and I'm not sure about the length. So far I'm liking it. It's making my lashes look natural. It doesn't feel like I have something on. And the other thing is, formula is really wet, so like you have to wait for it to dry in between the coats. And the right way to apply this type of mascara is like put the wand at base of your lash and then wiggle it throughout the lash. That way you get maximum product coated all over like your lash. So that's what I do. I put the wand at the base of my lash and then wiggle the wand upwards so that every lash gets coated, so that way I get maximum impact. So that's how this mascara looks like on my lashes, and I'll be wearing it throughout rest of my day, and at the end of my day I'll be updating you guys how I felt about it. Did it smudge, budge, flake or anything like that? And I'll be giving you my views by the end of this day. For now, I like it. I don't like it so much for the volume and length, but it's giving me flared out lashes, and it's making my lashes look very natural and not clumpy at all. So I like it, but I don't love it. But by the end of the day, I want to see how it lasts. Hi guys, welcome back, and it's 6:30 in the evening. It's more than 11 hours I have this mascara on, and you can see it haven't budged from anywhere. It's same as I applied it, but somehow, I mean, I didn't like it because it didn't give me a lot of volume or length. So it was good, it didn't do anything like bad. It didn't smudge, flake or anything. It didn't move anywhere. It was a hot and humid day. I was out, but it stayed on well. But the only thing I didn't like about it is it's quite plain. You don't get a lot of volume or length with it. So I had high expectation looking at the wand, but no, I think my L'Oreal Lash Paradise is much better than this. So those were my views on this mascara. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.